People always ask me, what are the benefits of intermittent fasting? Today I'm going to talk about the top 4 benefits for me right now. What's up, everybody? I'm James, the Fasting Dad. I'm on day 10 of my fast. I'm doing a 20/4 fast, meaning I fast for 20 hours of the day, I eat for 4 hours of the day. I started this process at 232 pounds. Today I'm down to 221 pounds. Pretty impressed with those. 221, I've been on that weight for the last 2 days. So I feel like there's gonna be a big drop coming tomorrow or the next day. Hit subscribe so you can find out. So what are the benefits of intermittent fasting? Well, 1, weight loss. Of course there's weight loss. That's why I'm doing this originally, is to lose weight. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting is especially effective in people that are obese. The next benefit of intermittent fasting is inflammation. That's your body white blood cells fighting infections. The next reason is really important to me, it's high blood pressure. Intermittent fasting can lower your blood pressure. It's really important to me because I have high blood pressure that's well controlled right now, but I still want to lower it even more, not with meds, but with intermittent fasting. So our next one, cholesterol. Intermittent fasting has shown to lower your cholesterol levels. These are just some of the benefits of intermittent fasting. These are the top ones that I feel like are the most important to me. Which ones do you think are important to you? Let me know down in the comments. If you're still watching this far, hit a like for me. So what did I do today? I had my normal coffee in the morning. I had some water throughout the day. I was really pounding the water today. I was very thirsty for some reason today. I think it's because it's hot in my office here. Then at lunch, I had some eggs to break the fast. Then for dinner, I had a taco salad. What are you eating when you're fasting? What do you do to break your fast? Let me know in the comments. Are you enjoying this content? Do you want to know what I'm eating every day? Let me know, and maybe I'll change it up a little bit. What else do you want to hear about? I've got a lot of ideas here, and there's a lot of things that I need to talk about. But if you've got something that you think is important, let me know. And I'll see you in the next one.